What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to do a quick review of BenQ W2700 4K HDR Projector. We will talk about all of its features, hardware specs, performance, pros and cons, and what are the reasons why you should buy this device. So let's start it. Inside the retail box of BenQ W2700, you will find the projector, a power cable, the installation guide for the projector, a user manual CD, and an individual calibration report especially for your projector, in which you will get the calibration report right from the BenQ factory. Along with all of this stuff, a remote control is provided as well that comes with lots of buttons, and it allows you to perform every single task on your projector right from the remote itself. And now let's talk about the design. This is the top of the projector. If you open this slider, then here you will find the focus, zoom and lens shift option that you can use using these controls here. On the top we got some basic function keys that can help you in using your BenQ projector without the help of the remote control. We got some LED indication as well for power, temperature and the lamp, along with the power key, navigation key, and few options like back menu and the source, where you will be able to select from which source you would like to use your BenQ projector. And then we got a BenQ logo. Here is another branding that talks about the cinematic color, the DCI-P3 color gamut, and the Cinema Master Video Plus enhancement that comes with your BenQ W2700 projector. And this is the front side of your projector. It comes with brushed metal finish. It looks beautiful. The BenQ branding is of metal as well. And here we got a removable flap. If you remove it, then you will find the lamp inside with 4K HDR branding. On the sides of the W2700 projector, you got big vents for the fan and the air circulation because the device really heats up when you are using it for a while. BenQ W2700 also comes with two 5-watt speakers that you will find behind these two vents. On the back of the BenQ W2700, you will get lots of ports and connectivity option. Virtually it is capable of connecting to any source. We got multiple HDMI ports, we got multiple USB ports, there is audio output as well. This is the place where you will connect your power cable, so it does not matter what kind of input source you are going to use. With your BenQ W2700 projector, you will be able to use it perfectly. The only thing I'm missing here is that there is no Bluetooth connectivity provided, because if you do not want to use the built-in speaker, or if you want to sit far away from your projector and enjoy the audio on your headphone, then you won't have that option because there is only 3.5 mm audio output provided. At the bottom we got lots of screws to open the case of this projector, and some indication that how to do the installation, where is the center of gravity, where is the central line of axis of the lamp. And here it says that this device is for sample purpose only, so this is basically a review unit. The remote of BenQ W2700 projector is backlit supported. So if you are watching a movie on this projector and your room is dark, then you can still use the remote without turning on the light because of this backlit, and this is a very nice idea for sure. So overall the design of BenQ W2700 projector is quite good. If you are used to seeing office projectors, then you will find this pretty attractive because of its smooth curves, brushed metal finish on the front, and good build quality. And now before I start talking about the features and performance of BenQ W2700, first of all let me tell you that the unit that I received here, it is slightly damaged. It came all the way from UAE to me, and it seems that during shipping it was not handled very well. I will show you very soon what was the issue I was facing, but you must not consider it as a drawback because physical damage can happen to any product. There are lots of technology and factors used to provide a nice visual experience using BenQ W2700 projector. I'm not going to talk about all of these technical specifications. You can visit the official BenQ website for knowing all about the technical stuff of this projector. I'm just going to talk about all of the features, performance. So once you switch on the projector and connect with a source, it will take few seconds and then it will start projecting the content of the source on the wall or screen, whatever you are using for the projection. So you are seeing the white vertical lines on the right side of the display right now. And this is the damage that I was talking about. Usually it happens when there is loose connection or some issue with the DLP chip. So I'm not sure what was the issue. And if you buy a BenQ projector, then this will not be the case. So we're gonna ignore this part and talk about the features and performance. So you can easily zoom in, zoom out using the slider right above the lamp. You can also focus very easily. BenQ W2700 is a 4K HDR projector and the display quality is really impressive. The color reproduction is very natural and it is exactly as you see on a TV set. Now talking about the features, it comes with lots and lots of options to improve the visual experience. You can turn on or off the HDR mode. You can increase, decrease the brightness, contrast. You can even change the color temperature and customize the RGB settings. You can change the sharpness as well. Under the color management, you can adjust the primary color, the hue, saturation and the gain according to your visual preference. BenQ W2700 is also compatible with 3D content. So you can turn on the 3D mode and you can also buy a 3D glass from BenQ as an optional accessory. Under the menu setting, you will also get lots of options that you can use to change the brightness, contrast, color, tint, sharpness, 3D, and then you can play with lots of options and settings that you can do on your BenQ W2700 projector. But my favorite features are under the Cinema Master settings. It comes with color enhancer, flesh tone, pixel enhancer, 4K, and also the motion enhancer. And out of these, my favorite is motion enhancer that increases the FPS of the video being played, so you can have a very smooth visual experience while watching a movie. And this is especially useful when you're watching an old movie, and if you turn it on, then everything gets super smooth and it really feels good to the eyes. As the name suggests, color enhancer let you enhance the color of the video being displayed. The flesh tone let you decide the color saturation and color tone of the characters on the screen. Pixel enhancer is especially for the 4K videos and it improves the edges and the corners, the artifacts basically being shown on the screen to provide an overall better resolution and 4K experience. My another favorite feature of the BenQ W2700 projector is the speaker quality. It comes with two 5-watt speakers and they are really powerful and provide an amazing movie experience, gaming experience, or just if you are watching any content using the BenQ W2700. So overall, BenQ W2700 4K HDR projector is a nice product whether in terms of quality, features or performance. It comes with lots of connectivity options. The overall design and the build quality of the product is pretty nice. The speakers are very powerful and projection is great, and you will enjoy watching content on BenQ W2700 for sure. It also comes with lots of features and options that you can use to customize the viewing experience according to your preference on BenQ W2700. So if you're planning to buy a nice projector for your home theater, then BenQ W2700 is a very nice option available for you in the market. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.